Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Tilak Narasimha and my student code is FS39 underscore 330 639. So today I'm gonna discuss with us to how pagination, sorting and filtering is working. So I have built it with us to these features of the one application by using like as a dummy JSON placeholder products API. So for that, I'll be in that question they were mentioned like as a only per the page we have to mention the five items. So that's why I'll be created like as a five items. So as you know, the fetch we have to fetch the first function. In this problem statement, we have like as a three scenarios is there. One is like as a fetching the data, and one more thing like as a apply pagination, and also one more thing like as a filter by category, and the fourth one like I say apply the sorting functionality of the high to low and low to high with the price values. So these are the problems we have to solve in this code way. So can you see here I will be explaining the one by one each of them. So here first I have to done with as to fetching the data function. So how we gonna fetching for that? I have to using like a third party library of Axios to get like as a it will be automatically converted into as a JSON format. So that's why we have to using that Axios, and for the fetching we have to using two hooks in React. One is a use state hook and another thing like as a use effect hook to handling the side effects any subscriptions in our code. So that's all about like as a fetching the data, and we have to filter the products. So filtering and sorting both will be like as a occurring here only. So when we have to filtering the products, we have to apply the header functions in JavaScript, so that when it will be checking like as a first user will enter any like as a uppercase or lowercase, it will be working. So it will be converted into as a first into lowercase. That lowercase character will like as a category will available in search item, we can sort them, or else we won't sort the anything. So that's why I will be writing here. Then meanwhile I will be applying as a sort function, ascending if order is equals to ascending, we can price the order is ascending order, or else we can sort them as two into descending order. So then that's all filtering and sorting. So I'll coming as to pagination. So this simple mathematical calculations will available in like as a pagination. So how many products we want to show and how many pages we have to calculate it there. So we have total products. By getting as a total products, we will be knows like as a already we have products dot length. So this this total products like as a products dot length. So how many products will be there, and we will be getting from that length. So and we have to number of pages. For that we'll be getting like as a math dot seal. So what we gonna do as a, this math dot seal method in JavaScript mean, for suppose we have 4.5 value, so it will be rounds the value as a 5. So and one more thing like as a in JavaScript math dot floor is there, so it will be rounds. For suppose we have 7.8, so it will be rounds the less than the 7, so that we'll be getting like as a 7. So that is the here we have to create it here. And then like as a start page. So for that how many pages we have to start from the 0 to from as a last index. So for suppose we can start like as a current page is 0 and total pages we have like as a 5. So 0 and 5 is anything into as a 0. So that's why start will become like as a 0 and end will become like as a start plus 1 total pages. So start is we have 0 and total pages will have 6. So up to 6 products will be seen in our page. So that is the calculation of mathematical. And also we have two buttons, one is a previous, one is a next button. So this previous button, when we have to click as to any button, we can increase as to like a next page. So when we have to decrease, we will be getting like a previous page. For that I'll be created like a, some simple div for that we can see. So here we have button one, the button name is like as a preview button. So when we have to like as a, these are the simple styles for the button. And also I'll be explaining with as to this disable when it will be disabled, and this on click event will be triggering with as to previous first function. So this current page, when current page is equals to 0, it will be disable the button. So on same as to next button also, if current page is greater than equals to number of pages is -1. So when suppose it will be reach the end of the our products, like as the number of products we will be have completed in our pages, so it will be goes to as a disable. So that is the thing there. For the sorting, we have implemented the event delegation. So, for that, when we have to click as to top of that event, I'll be triggering with as to these all are things. So we are passing this event to this, and also will be that like as a mapping with as to filtered products only. So when we have to filter the products, it will be shown that filtered products only. So let me show UI first. Yeah, this is the UI about that, so I'll show on this. So this is a few products will be having as a every page is 5. So for the starting I'll be clicking as all. So when we have to click, it will be goes like as the next page, so like that it will be going as a every page by this is the next button. So when we have to reach at the end of the page, it will be disable the next button. So when we have to see as a previous, we can see that. So I'm seeing like as a here groceries only. 1 second, we are writing as spelling is wrong. So we can see as a furniture only. Yeah, we can see as a furniture. So we can have as a furniture with us to high to low. We can see the about that. Yeah, these are the furniture will have like as a high to low, and price will be there. So yeah, that's all about the about application, my application.